Yo!
Is there a new Spider-Man movie from, what's that movie called? You go there this Friday?
Yo! I don't know, but I'm telling you, that shit was lit!
I know. You see, Spider-Man went up in the air. We went to the Oscorp.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
Yeah.
Bye! Can't stand you people who sit up on your phone all day with it on fucking speaker. I don't want to hear your business. I understand you pay for your cell phone and it's your cell phone and you can do what you want. Kudos. I don't want to hear it. Keep the shit cute. Keep it to yourself, because let me tell you something. When the conversation start getting juicy, that's when y'all want to take your phone off speaker. Nah, bitch, you want to be on speaker the whole entire time. Leave it. Keep it on speaker. Let us continue to hear your business. I don't like it. It's just very inconsiderate. Like, be considerate about the people around you. I don't want to hear it. And then it's like when people be on speaker, they got to get loud with it. They can't. Shut the fuck up. Take your phone off speaker, put it to your ear, or put your wireless earbuds in, or put your earbuds in, headphones, whatever. Shut the fuck up and keep your conversation to yourself. I don't want to hear it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell, so you can get my notifications. And it's Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Hey, fuck it up, hot, fuck it up, hot, fuck it up, hot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah! Until next time.